This hot pursuit ends with plucky Welsh cops ramming a drug dealer's car off the road and into a tree before arresting him. The 41-year-old cocaine dealer, identified as David Andrew Morgan, was stopped by undercover officers who believed he was using fake number plates. Instead of stopping, the suspect, who had his 30-year-old girlfriend with him, sped away, even mounting the pavement at one point, injuring 4 officers, ordering him to stop. Morgan was sentenced to 5 years in prison for dangerous driving, assaulting officers, and possession of cocaine with intent to supply.